All right, y'all, taking a look at INJ, Injective Protocol. I'm on the weekly Binance charts. Guys, watch this video. I'm actually really impressed with this coin. I am fast moving this one to the top of my list. I do not own any INJ right now. I do own a couple of other coins, but if we get the retrace that I'm going to show you, I am going to go heavy on this coin, not financial advice. If you find something useful out of this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to do regular INJ and other altcoin updates as the cycle progresses. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my prediction. And if you want me to look up any other altcoins, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to do so. All right, INJ set a cycle high in 2021 of $27 with a circulating supply of 24 million coins and a market cap of 654 million. Here's what I want you to pay attention to, okay? Circulating supply 24 million, okay? Bear market 2022, fast forward to last cycle, you set a price high in March of 24 of, call it $53, okay? Here's the important part. You had an increase in your circulating supply. You went from 24 million coins to 88 million coins. That's 3.5 times more coins. Guys, most coins that more than triple their circulating supply, massively underperform. They would do, even if you did a similar market cap, the same market cap, your price would be down here because of token dilution. However, not only did you more than triple your circulating supply, you destroyed, you like 8x'd your market cap. So that is extremely bullish and very rare. Most coins could not come close to matching this. Okay, so this is a bullish coin. Looking at today, bear market, of course, price is down to about $5, 100 million circulating supply. So you've added even more to your circulating supply. Market cap 500 million. But between now and next cycle, you will not be adding any more coins. So you are fully diluted at this point. Now, INJ could add more coins later in the future, but there's nothing projected to be added at this point. I'm not a pattern bro or a trend guy, but if you just take a step back and look at this, you're clearly setting higher highs and higher lows in your price action. So this is a bullish structure, right? And let's flip over more importantly to market cap, okay? You're also setting bullish structure and market cap, higher highs and higher lows, and that's not always the case, especially with circulating supply being diluted like it is. But you are here, you're maintaining great bullish posturing, so this is a good looking coin. You've already come and taken out your October 10th wick low, which most coins have. That's good, and you found support and you've rallied really nicely off of that. However, just because it is bullish doesn't mean it has to continue to be bullish. So what you want to do, in my opinion, is hope for the best and prepare for the worst, right? And how do we do that? We do that by throwing a fib on your market cap, okay? So let's throw a fib on your market cap, and you'd be amazed at how well this works out. So we have fibbed at your market cap. I'm going to throw on the 382.5, golden pocket, 702, and 786. Now, you calculate price, by market cap divided by circulating supply. So in the event that you get an underperformance on this coin, and just prepare for it, guys, just in case, it doesn't hurt to be prepared. If you get an underperformance, and let's say you just retrace to the golden pocket, what could we possibly looking at price, right? In case that's all you get. I don't think that's all you get, but be prepared. And if nothing else, you can spot trade this. So I've done the math for you, and here is your retrace levels, okay? So if you were to retrace in that example to the golden pocket, you would have a price of about $31, okay? And what you'll find, for those of you who like to trade, is you will typically get some sort of reaction there or rejection on the first pass. So you might come up, reject here, you'll look for your divergences and your reaction. You could actually sell here, then ride back down maybe to the 382 level and rebuy if you get what you're looking for there for continuation up, okay? And you can accumulate coins that way. And a drop like that is nothing to laugh at. That's a 35% drop. So you can accumulate a lot of coins if you're aware of your market cap retrace levels. Now, do not fib price. I'm telling you guys, it does not work on the macro scale when you have diluted token supply, okay? If your token supply did not change, that would work, okay? That would make it linear. It is not linear though, because you have quadrupled your circulating supply from your original high, right? So it does not work. Fibonacci's do not work on a non-linear scale, okay? But market cap is linear, so we can just do the math to get your price levels if you retrace the market caps. Or just screenshot what I've got on here. I've already done the math for you, and those are your retrace levels. And again, I think you do better, but I'm prepared because a lot of coins last cycle thought they were going to do better, and they didn't. They just did a 0.5 retrace, and that was it. Bear market, right? So be prepared just in case. However, in this case, even if you did just 0.5, that's a really good return. Even from current price, a 0.5 retrace gives you about a 5x. So that's really strong, but I think you do better than that. In fact, here is my bull run price prediction for INJ. Boom. I think you do a $7 billion, $7 billion market cap. This should be 100 million. This is 100 million coins. Divided by 100 million coins gives you a price of $70. That is my prediction for INJ. Not only that, I do think you get a shot at lower prices. I don't think you come down and take out these lows from February, March, but I do think you get a pullback. And if we could fib this to a pullback, now fib is linear now because you don't have any more coins. We're currently at 100 million coins, and we're not going to add any more. So this is linear in local price action, just not on macro because you have added a significant amount of coins since the top. So if we were to get a pullback somewhere into this box, golden pocket to 786 retrace, and we were to run up to $70, let's say we hit the middle of this around the 702, that could give you a return of about 1,600%, guys. That's really good. And even if you underperformed and say you just got a golden pocket retrace here, you're still looking at about an 8x, guys, about a 700% rally, which is an 8x. So either way it goes, if you underperform in this coin or if you set new highs, your return on investment is really good in a strong bullish posturing, bullish structured coin. So I like this coin. I would be looking to buy this coin somewhere around $4. If you get another shot at $4, I think that's a really good opportunity. This is added to the top of my list along with Fetch AI, Flux, and Nosana. I like those coins as well. I've done videos on those. But yeah, guys, don't overlook INJ. It has a strong community as well. It's a fan favorite, which is one of the strongest things it has going for it. Never mind the fundamentals. You can have all the fundamentals in the world, but if you don't have a big following, where does that get you? Nobody invests. But this does have a good crowd following. So this coin is going to perform really well, in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What is your price prediction, and what other coins are you interested in? Like this video, subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing INJ updates along the way, and I will see you guys next time.